Welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to talk about niche research and its importance. Well, niche research is the basis of any type of business that you do, whether it's a blog, a local store, or in this case a Shopify store. And it's the very reason you'll see that people with huge businesses spend thousands on research and development. Well, the thing is, you always need to know what's best for your business, and niche research allows you to find the best products that there's a market for, that people are looking for, basically. Well, in the next few videos I'm going to show you exactly how and what I do to find the best selling products and products that have a huge demand, and for products that people are willing to buy instantly. And just follow along and you should be good. Also, I have given you a niche list of top selling products that you can implement in your store. Just find products related to those niches and you should be good. Alright, I'll see you in the next videos. Thank you.